आकाश के पार अब कुछ नहीं, आकाश में तू और मैं।
तीन गवाह है इश्क के, एक रब, एक तू और एक मैं।
First of all, we actually met in 2008, I think, and we kept meeting every couple of months after that. And at the time, Rakesh sir had mentioned that he was working on the story of Mirza Sahiba, and Gulzar Saab was writing a screenplay. And I was actually still in college at that time. I was what, 18, 19 years old. I'm 25 now, so this is a conversation that's been going on for a very long time. And then I went back to college after the first interaction with Rakesh sir, and I actually did what I could, try to find whatever I could about the story on the internet. And you know, obviously it's a romantic tragedy, and it's very different from the other romantic tragedies because it's the two lovers themselves that make decisions that eventually determine their destiny. You know, so it was very complex, and it was very brief and very vague on social media. So as kind of time went on, we kept reconnecting, and then eventually, I think in June 2013, after talking for like 2 or 3 years, we finally decided that it was the right time to kind of embark on this journey. And until then, I hadn't really heard anything from the script. So then finally I sat with Mehra, and then he narrated about 10 or 15 pages because the script was still a work in progress at that time. and just the beauty that which it was kind of written, because you know, it's very rare these days to find scripts that are very poetic and very romantic. And I think for me, you know, I read it when I was 22, and I was reading so many other romantic stories and scripts, but I think that this is the most contemporary romantic film ever. You know, I mean, at least from what I've read, the interpretation of it. You know, so I was completely blown away. You know, it's one of those things that you hear it, you're like, I have to, I'll give anything to be a part of this film. You know, I mean, it's romantic, it's complex. You get to play two characters. It's poetic, it's visual, it's musical. So it's like a fever dream. You know, so it's a dream.
कितना difficult था आपके लिए इस character को निभाना?
तो actually दो किरदार हैं, एक आदिल का और एक मिर्जा का. तो first we worked on Adil a lot. Actually, we worked on both simultaneously. And when I heard the story, I knew that you know, the whole film depends on my ability as a rider and archer. Because Mirza is the best, you know, and I'd never been on a horse. So it sounds very easy, but actually when you start doing it, you know, and then you know the script, so you know how sir is going to shoot it. It's not like other films where, you know, you cut to a close-up and then you cut to the stunt double. It's not one of those films. You know, I knew the level that I had to kind of reach to, and I moved away to Delhi for 6 months first, because you know, Bombay doesn't have too many places where you can learn that skill. So I learned the basics there for 6 months, and I had a lot of falls. Then I came back, then we continued, and you know, I mean, it's a 20-minute answer. I can't really sum it up for you, but you know, it was basically very difficult.
Thank you, Harsh.
Yes,
thank you so much. Is there a question for Sayami? Yes, ma'am, in the blue.
Hi, Sayami.
Hi, namaste.
Namaste. You both looking very stunning.
Thank you
So
so much.
my question is for you and Harshvardhan both. As we just heard, Anilji said that Kapoor Parivar has given a greatest contribution to the films, and so is you.
Thank you.
Your family is also very much connected and given a lot of contribution industry. आप दोनों कितना प्रेशर महसूस करते हैं इस वक्त? फिल्म रिलीज पर है और बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आपसे उम्मीदें रखे हुए हैं.
मैम, प्रेशर तो मतलब, I hope at least I'll speak for myself. If I kind of have 5% of the genes that my grandmother or my aunt has, तो ऐसे लगेगा कि थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिंग आती है, but प्रेशर नहीं है, क्योंकि दोनों हर्ष ने और मैंने we've given it our best, and when we have guidance like Rakesh sir and Gulzar sir, it makes life much easier. So we have given it our best, and we hope people like it.
मेरा सवाल
Harsh on your left.
हर्ष, अभी आपको जवाब देना बाकी है.
कौन सा question?
Do you feel the pressure?
Yeah, no, I think, you know, I think when you kind of believe in something so much and you work for so long with so much honesty, and, you know, you basically leave behind your life and you sacrifice so much. Eventually, when you're performing with that honesty in your heart and your mind, you know, the audience can feel it when they watch it. And you know, that's all you can really do. So I don't think it's very intelligent to feel creative pressure in terms of commercial expectations, because you're somebody's son and all of that stuff. I feel there's nothing I can do about that. So whatever has to happen will happen.
मेरा सवाल गुलजार साहब से है. गुलजार साहब.
Okay, we'll take that question. गुलजार साहब के लिए एक सवाल है.
गुलजार साहब इधर देखिएगा.
On our left.
हाँ, गुलजार साहब, आपने धुनों पर बहुत बेहतरीन गाने लिखे हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे नगमे लिखे हैं जो पहले लिखे गए, बाद में धुन बनाई गई. इसमें मिर्जिया में आपने क्या अनुभव रहे? आपने किस तरह से आपकी रचना प्रक्रिया रही है?
कहानी ने खुद ही गीत लिखवा लिए मुझसे. जो कहानी थी और जो किरदार थे, जो कैरेक्टर थे, जब उनको बयान कर रहे थे, तो उसमें एक फोकलोर की फील थी, एक फोकलोर का अंदाज था. तो उस कहानी के साथ अपने आप जब उसकी ज़बान बन जाती है, गीतों की भी जो कहानी की ज़बान हो. और एक तो ये कि स्क्रिप्ट के साथ बहुत कुछ लिखा गया, और मेरा ख्याल है पहली बार ये मैंने इतना ज़्यादा बोझ उठा के इतने बड़े उलझन में शंकर को डाल दिया था कि अब इसके ऊपर आप धुन बनाइए, मैं हमेशा आपकी धुन पर लिखता रहा हूँ, अब आप इसका देखें क्या करते हैं। और उनका ये है कि मैं जैसे उस वक्त बात करते हुए भी मैं कहा कि ये भरे हुए हैं पूरे मेलोडी से, इनको ज़रा सा हिला दो तो मेलोडी निकलने लगती है और बाहर आने लगती है। और बस वो उसके बाद मैं वो के सामने रख लेता हूँ जमा करने के लिए। और कहीं कहीं उन्हें ये कि अल्फाज दिए, उन्होंने धुन भी बना ली, वहीं की वहीं बना ली, और उसके आगे की धुन बना ली, उससे अंतरे बना लिए, तो फिर देन यू हैव टू फॉरगेट, इट्स अ टू वे जर्नी। आप अगर आपने थोड़ा रियाज किया हो पिछले सालों में तो फिर आप शंकर के साथ काम कर सकते हैं।
क्या बात है।
शंकर आपसे सवाल है।
Sorry, could I please complete the answer?
गुलजार साहब से आप काम कर चुके हैं, पहले भी कर किया आपने, नित नए गुलजार, क्या अनुभव रहा आपका काम करने का?
मैं ये कहूँगा कि वो हमेशा ही नया गुलजार है हमारे लिए। एवरी डे इज अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस, एवरी डे इज अ न्यू सरप्राइज, एंड कुछ ना कुछ हम लोग रोज सीखते हैं इनसे। तो इट्स बिन मैं क्या बताऊं कि ऑल आई कैन से इज हम लोग सब बहुत अपने आप को बहुत लकी समझते हैं कि वी आर इन एन एरा वेयर वी आर एबल टू वर्क with a maestro like Gulzar Saab.